In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sticker to WhatsApp. You can create a unique sticker of yourself and add it to WhatsApp so that all your friends and family on WhatsApp can be using this sticker as a funny sticker or a creative sticker on the platform. So if you are new on this video, you're able to create and add your own sticker to WhatsApp. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to add sticker on WhatsApp is open the WhatsApp application. Then you can do this without using any third-party application. Then select any of the chat on your page and say, I already added my sticker. You select. So I can go ahead and add the sticker to favorite. Now to add your own sticker to WhatsApp, click on this sticker icon. If you are on this page, let's say on this page just like this, click on the message box, then come here and click on this icon, this emoji icon. Then on the navigation like this, select the sticker icon. Then you say, these are all the available stickers I have on WhatsApp. Now to add your sticker to WhatsApp, click on create and select the picture you want to use to add sticker to WhatsApp. Then let's say this is the picture I want to add to WhatsApp sticker. This, click on that. Then you should see the sticker trying to come up. Then I can just make it bigger for you to see like this. Now I can also add text. No way. Let's say this is the text I want to add to it. Then bring the text down here. You can adjust the text like this. Then bring it to somewhere around here. Then you can just use this to see all the sticker or come back again. You can type this to return to where you're coming from. Then you can use this to add another text. This to edit. So you can edit the sticker. You see this? Now once you are satisfied with this sticker like this, as it says, click on the done button at the top right. Then come here and click on the send button. So this is going to send to this particular contact. Now to add this sticker as favorite on your device, click on this like this, and then you see add to favorite. Click on add to favorite, and that's it. The sticker has been added to your favorite. And if you want to chat anybody on WhatsApp again, you can just come to the messaging box, click on the sticker, and then you see your sticker added to favorite. You see this? Then you can now send this sticker to whoever you want to send the sticker to. So this is how you can easily add sticker to WhatsApp without using AI. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.